At a press conference held on 20th September 2021, entrepreneur Samborlang DIENGDOH had announced his candidature for the forthcoming MLA elections of 2023. Informing media persons on this, Samborlang DIENGDOH said that it has been a long time since he had been serving the people of the Shillong 14 PYNTHORUMKHRAH constituency through various activities under corporate social responsibility. He added that he has been initiating capacity building and social activities and also in environmental preservation activities in the area. His main focus as an independent candidate would be on good governance. It may be reminded that Samborlang DIENGDOH is currently the headman of URKALIAR locality in the PYNTHORUMKHRAH constituency.
Kalong bangaru mandi iwi niki candidate wini kertong wani kun naka 14 PYNTHORUMKHRAH constituency di ka SD kota ti nakalian jonga hi nakwapan panchay hi pisya ni ba ngami siya ni system kani sinjam ru ngakwapan ay good governance ki public juni te kumapitep hi ngiting along very well established business te ngindong siya ka politics su ndai bengin make fortune from politics ngindong siya ka politics su bengin ay good governance ki constituency ng PYNTHORUMKHRAH constituency but iki nong sing jong jela borokawai hi te hakabide but ka problem jing nong rap ru at hike to it was very fresh in our mind ni kadang sudah irap hi bide ki jing jing nong rap ru te ngira isang keleng ki jakarap ba albat ni don ba rening don kini bla ilam lut nga keleng ki jakarap mo te he ngila kli ke jing nong rap ni syam babar ko ik nong rap jing hi kidi gi bem takaram bantiet sembaru kisim nakaram bantiet dawairu kisim nakaram wat dia ka lom ki rapru kisuai tilada mat tu jingie na macam senam lockdown kin kata bilang sa jingie iki hakani ka lockdown tumot kalakot kin ka jingie mjaki te bangin solve bre kita ka problem ni la place na tu ka famous wholesale market taman yo kinong rap kin yo bandi ti jor jungki ki bala long bandi ki bala lung bandi hapo lingka kan rate kumingi imana kan ni bun ki jingtung jingtep la shuya lum kan ada ngim step up pada kumingi benirap kinong rap te bapli la snagi kinong rap.
The independent candidate of PYNTHORUMKHRAH constituency further informed the media that since 2013 he has been following the scheme from the Water Resource Department for an environmental project of 42.39 crores for restoring and beautification of Umkhrah and Umshirpi rivers in the heart of Shillong city. He also assured that should he be elected MLA, he would see to it that the project is implemented in the right earnest.
Flash floods along the banks of Umkhrah and Umshirpi rivers. Kadi ka scheme ko wan po Water Resource Department ka estimated cost ng ta project kadi 42.39 crores. I'm working on that. I've been tracking that scheme since 2013. Kata kan irap haban pengkut ya ka kan relief ya ka lost glory jong ka Umkhrah bat ya ka Umshirpi. Te as per tu ka scheming like BE detail project report jong tu ka scheme ru. Fini tu ka scheme ba apart from the retaining walls ba ka central government la sanction kindan se ki STPs sewage treatment plants ki STPs kidan two categories kadang ki community based STPs ki bahaya kila ban kita ya like spa households mudkan accumulate di bar kha ki filter bar kha yang tu kandan pada ka sopet ba filter kanang ba tu ka end product ka bami suam khra kan Umshirpi kan di ka ka buhut ti bat kita ki small scale STPs pada kin kita ya 40-50 households matrai gitu kin come into play ki area bari ka masyarakat semtia e ba hamlong riak kin numyo ya kamadan ban install ki bahaya te katuru kan kadai ka joi kan accumulate di bar kha ti jebo jo kan sewan ka super ka sewan ka filter ka end product bami suam khra kan di ka ka buhut